Is the airflow in your attic shortening the life of your roof? Hey, I'm TJ with EcoElements. Today we want to talk about airflow and ventilation inside of your attic. It's extremely important. Down near the eaves here on the right, on the front and back of the house, in most cases we have what are called Soffit vents. Soffit vents' job are to let airflow into the attic. Now this is extremely crucial because we have to have intake as well as exhaust. So the goal of airflow in general is number one, protect the lifespan of your shingles. If it gets too hot in here, what's gonna happen is it's actually gonna overbake those shingles from the inside of your attic as well as the outside. The second issue that we have is when we get too much air or heat trapped in this area, it's actually gonna push its way through that insulation and into your living space. If you've ever lived in a home with a second story or that is ran off a swamp cooler, you know this scenario very well, unfortunately. You walk outside to grab the newspaper, pull the cans in off the street, or grab the mail. When you walk back in the house, you realize it's hotter inside your living space than it is outside. That's actually caused by excessive heat trapped in your attic, as well as saturated into your insulation. Now, if we properly ventilate the space inside of this attic, number one, you're gonna help save the lifespan of your roof. Number two, though, is it's gonna lower your utility bills. And the reason why is less heat coming into your living space means less runtime for your air conditioner. For more tips and tricks and how to learn more about helping your home be more energy efficient as well as more comfortable, follow EcoElements on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram.